Story name is One Friday Morning. One wet rainy April afternoon, Miss O'Shea, the vice principal, sent for Nancy Lee. Soon Nancy Lee knocked on Miss O'Shea's door. The familiar voice said, "Come in." "Sit down, Nancy Lee Johnson," said Miss O'Shea. "I have something to tell you." Nancy Lee sat down. "You have been an excellent student, Nancy, as I am sure you know," began Miss O'Shea. At that point, there was a light knock on the door. Miss O'Shea called out, "Come in," and Miss Dechert entered. "May I be a part of this too?" she asked, tall and smiling. "Of course," Miss O'Shea said. "I was just telling Nancy Lee what we have thought of her." Miss Dechert was always direct. "Nancy Lee," she said, "your picture has won the Artist Club Award." The slender brown girl's eyes widened and her heart jumped. She tried to smile, but instead of tears came to her eyes. "Dear Nancy Lee," said Miss O'Shea, "we are so happy for you." The elderly white woman shook her head warmly while Miss Dechert beamed with pride. Miss O'Shea had called Nancy Lee to the office both to prepare her and warn her. In making her absent speech, the vice principal wanted Nancy Lee to be calm and prepared, so Nancy Lee was asked to think about what she would say at the Friday morning assembly honor. When the announcement would be made, Nancy Lee promised the vice principal to think calmly about what she would say. Soon Friday morning came. The night before, Nancy Lee had gone to bed thinking about the next day. Her short speech was ready and she went over it in her mind. She was dreaming. When the president of the artist club would present her the award, she would say, "Judges and members of artist club, I want to thank you for this award. It means much to me. The colored people of this city are something discouraged, thinking that color and poverty against them. I expect this award not for myself alone but for my race. We believe in America. We believe in the opportunities and fairnesses. I thank Miss Dechert and the teacher who gave me the knowledge and training of the win this award. When I came to the school a few years ago, you received me well. You gave me a chance to help me along and road I want to follow. Thank you." Thus Nancy Lee went to sleep dreaming for a wonderful tomorrow. At the school on Friday morning, Nancy Lee was asked to see Miss O'Shea in her office again. Soon after, Nancy Lee knocked at Miss O'Shea's door. "Come in," came Miss O'Shea's voice. The vice principal stood at her desk. There was no one else in the room. "Sit down, Nancy. I don't know how to tell you what I have to say," the elderly woman began. "I am abased for myself for this city." Then she lifted her eyes and looked at Nancy Lee in the neat blue dress sitting there before her. "You are not receiving the Artist Club Award this morning." Then she said, "When the committee learned that you were colored, they changed their plans." Nancy Lee said nothing. "Nancy Lee, I'm very sorry to have to give this message. But my speech,
Nancy Lee said.
was about
The word stuck in her throat.
about America. I know,
Said Miss Soshi, slowly facing the room again. Those who deny you this award do not know the meaning of stars in our flag.
but it's up to us to make them know. As a teacher, I will go before the school board and ask them to remove the offer of any prizes or awards denied to any student because of race or color. Miss Oshie, clear blue eyes looked into those of the girl before her. The woman's eyes were full of strength and courage. Lift up your head, Nancy Lee, and smile at me. Nancy Lee lifted her head and smiled. The bell for the assembly rang.
She went through the long hall towards the auditorium.
There will be other awards, Nancy Lee thought. Nancy Lee thought, there are schools in other cities. This won't keep me down. But when I am woman, I will fight to see that these things do not happen to other girls as this happened to me. And men and women like Miss Oshie will help me. Moral of the story is keep your face in sunshine and don't see in darkness. Story name is One Friday Morning.